Okay, so now we're going to take a look at the bridge section of the song, and that falls right about 217 on the track to about 234. And we're back to the power chord here, low E, and we're going to hold that for a whole note here. 2, 3, 4. Now the next chord we're going to do is a G. I like to play just root and third on this particular one. You can play a power chord here, but I like the sound of that root and third. So, you know, if this feels more comfortable for you or that's the way you hear it, by all means go ahead and do it that way, but I kind of like it here, especially from that E. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Then we go C right underneath, another power chord. 2, 3, 4 to the B. 2, 3, 4. That section will repeat, but the last B chord is going to change the second time around. So arrangement-wise on this particular bridge, we have first ending, which would be B as a whole note, 2, 3, 4. The second go-around, we would have B as eighth notes, 2, 3, 4. And what that does, it kind of builds up the intensity to go to the next part of the song. So let's go ahead and try this whole section together. Start out with the low E, 2, 3, 4 to the G, 2, 3, 4 to the C, 2, 3, 4 to the B, 2, 3, 4 to the E, back to the G, C. Here we go, we're going to build 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let's play it together one more time and I'm not going to speak. 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to take a look at chorus number 3, same chords, but this time we go to quarter notes. So it's kind of like every time, usually a song will kind of build intensity and usually you'll start kind of maybe with, you know, whole notes and then it'll escalate to eighth notes. We're kind of going the opposite way, which I think is really cool. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to quarters, you know, as opposed to the first one, you know, we started with eighth and we kind of went to, you know, more of the half note approach and now we're going to quarters. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now let's take a look at the outro of the song. And you start out with the riff that we first learned, which was the intro, you know, verse lick. Now, you do that riff 4 times, and then you go up here and you end it like we normally do with the E. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 measures of that E. So first is right on the downbeat, and the second one is on the and of 4. Okay? So let's go over the whole thing one more time as far as the outro. I'll play the riff 4 times, go to the ending with the E. 1, 2, 3, 4.